Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will talk about some of the easiest animals or seasonal plants that you can grow during the winter-spring season. We all love growing animals because of the amazing colors and varieties. Sometimes we don't have enough time to do the maintenance. So I will talk about some very common and low maintenance plants that are great for beginners and busy gardeners. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and stay connected. Number 1 is definitely petunia. They are one of the best flowering animals you can grow in the garden. They are easy to grow, low maintenance plants that flower a lot and they continuously bloom throughout the season. You can easily grow them in pots and hanging baskets. They come in many colors and they really do very well with little care. Petunia is a must-have in the garden. Number 2, salvia. This is another easy to grow plant. They come in bright colored flowers and they bloom a lot. They are extremely low maintenance plants. You will get many varieties of this plant and they are very long lasting. They will keep your garden colorful all season long and they are really great for beginners. Number 3, dianthus. Dianthus is a very common plant and during the winter-spring season they bloom a lot. In fact, they flower all year long if you can keep them alive. Dianthus plants don't need a lot of care and they are perfect for low maintenance garden. There are many varieties available and you can easily grow them in small containers too. 4. Aster. Asters are great looking flowers. They have colorful daisy shaped blooms that are really attractive and they invite a lot of pollinators in the garden. I love growing them because the flowers are very long lasting. They last more than a month and you can easily grow them. They don't need too much care. They're great cut flowers so you can also use them for decorations too. Number 5, nasturtium. This is such a unique plant. I love growing them. I love them for the beautiful leaves and the colorful flowers. This is a bushy plant that grows very well even if you neglect them. They're so easy to grow from seed and you can use the flowers in salad because they're edible. They attract pollinators so you can grow them alongside your veg garden. 6. Jerigold or Margaret daisy. This is a plant from the daisy family and they grow quite well with little care. I love this because of the bright flowers and heavy blooms. Just like marigold, you don't need to do too much to grow them. Just plant them in good soil and they will keep blooming a lot. They are lovely plants. Number 7, verbena. This is a very common and popular flower. They look like lantana and they are quite carefree. These are small bushy plants so you can easily maintain them in small pots. They come in lots of different colors. With very little care, they give you lots of flowers. Verbena is definitely a must-have in the garden. 8. The very common marigolds. Pretty much everybody grows them in their garden and they come in so many varieties with different size and colors. You can easily grow them from saplings or seed. Marigolds are very popular and they're perfect for any type of garden. They're easy and long-lasting flowers. You can never get tired of these. Number 9, cosmos. They are such pretty flowers. One of the most beautiful and low maintenance plants. Cosmos makes your garden look extra beautiful with the big showy flowers. They're very easy to grow from seed. They attract lots of wildlife in the garden. Definitely grow them for their eye-catching beauty. Finally, the very common and beautiful chrysanthemums or Chandramallika. During the winter, every garden has them. They're colorful, long-lasting and very easy to grow. You will get hundreds of varieties of this plant and they live long in the garden. If you want a carefree plant that blooms a lot, chrysanthemum is definitely one of them. So definitely grow these in your garden. So these were some of the most easy to grow winter or spring annual plants. They're perfect for a low maintenance garden. There are many more plants you can grow during this time. For more videos, check out my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave your comments. I will see you next time. Bye.